Alright guys, average model guy bringing you 1/700 scale USS Bunker Hill, aka it's going to be the USS Antietam after I get the hull number slapped on this bad boy. But I wanted to hop on here and show you guys progress. I did a lot of extra detail work today. As you can see, we can zoom in here, did all the doors, did a lot of panel line accent here. It's kind of hard to see, I don't want to get in the way of the light, but I did the life preservers. There's a lot of detail work on the C-Wiz, on the smokestacks. I got some cleanup to do still yet, but it's turning out really good. You see, flip it around to the other side and show you. Again, you can see the detail work. She's looking really good. But yeah, we're going along pretty good here. Here's the old front. Got some cleanup work yet to still do on it, but I really like that panel access or panel accent line stuff by Tamaya, I believe. Here, let me show you. This is the stuff I like to use here. Panel line accent color black to really shade that stuff, and then I go back over with the gray that I used to paint it and kind of dry brush over it, and it gets rid of all the extra unneeded shading on there. So that seems to be working out pretty good. I'll flip around to the back here. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started on putting this rest of this back together. Move this out of the way really quick. I'll show you what we got left here on our instructions. We're down to the wire. We're going to get the harpoon missile launchers on, 5-inch guns, a couple other antennas, the VLS, rocket launchers, front 5-inch gun, front, and I think that's pretty much it. And then we're going to be on to the decals with the helo, obviously, there. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all we're going to have. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and get some work done, and I'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. Got the finishing details put on this. Got our 5-inch gun, our VLS finally on there. Rear VLS, rear 5-inch gun. Got our harpoon missiles. Got our antenna on the back there. Yeah, I think we're going to do some cleanup paint work. And then we're going to get some decals on this bad boy. Slap her all together. Get our anchors on the front. And then I think we're going to call it good for this one. Go back around here. Be very careful now. Don't want to bust anything off. Zoom in here a little bit more. Yeah, we just got some touch-up work to do. Other than that, I think we should be ready to go. Got her weathered up nice and good. Alright, I will be right back.